Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next part from the spark plug, which will be the terminal nut, and this is how it's going to look. First, let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, press OK. Now let's make this plane white and we'll open a sketch in the front plane. And here select line and let's make the next sketch. Just like this. Now select center line, let's make here a center line. Now smart dimension, let's define this. First, from this line to this one, here will be 11 millimeters. This line here will have 2.7. Okay, and this one will have 3.15. And now let's start on this side. First, from this line, here will be the diameter 5.16. And then from this line, here will be the diameter 6.39. Okay, and now the angle between these two, here will be 255. The angle between, okay. The angle between these two, there will be 135. This line here will have 1 millimeter. This one here will have 2.3. This one will have 1.7. And this one will have 1.62. And from this line to this, here the diameter will be 4.3. From this line to this one, here will be 0.15. And from this line to this center line here, the diameter will be 6.6. And now everything is fully defined. Go to features, use revolved boss base command. This center line should be selected here. Press OK. Alright, and now let's select hole wizard. We'll select this one, straight tap, keep these settings, bottoming tapped hole, M4, through all, this one, and here we'll make near side countersink. This will be the diameter for 0.05 and the angle will be 45 degrees. Now let's go to positions, select here 3D sketch and place it like this, and then select this point with Ctrl pressed, select this edge and select here make concentric. Press OK. And if we want to see the thread, go up here to settings, go to document properties, go to detailing, and here we can select shaded cosmetic threads. Press OK, and now we can see it. Alright, and now let's apply a chamfer. So select chamfer. First here the dimension will be 0.1. Let's select this face. Okay, so 0.1. And then we'll select also this edge. Press OK. And I'll have to apply a fillet on this edge. So select this edge, select fillet. The radius will be 0.5. Press OK. And this is it. This is the spark plug terminal nut. Don't forget to save it. And this was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.